Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to adjust webcam brightness in Windows 11, 10. First method is type camera in Windows search bar, click camera. Change brightness bar in left side. Second method is click Start, Settings. Click Bluetooth and Devices. Click Camera. Click Connected Camera. Change brightness. If you want to reset all settings, use Reset Settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.